What is up, guys? Jason here from Garden State Koi with Roberto. Today we're going to be installing a PS-60 aeration system. 6 lines going into this lake of a pond, and we're going to get all our equipment ready to go, and we're going to walk you through today step by step how we do it. We already have our compressor and 1,000 feet of weighted air line all ready to go. It's up at the house. We're going to get it. We're going to put all our stuff in this boat, bring it across to where the compressor is going into the electric. We'll get started. We got all our supplies here, our 1,000 feet of weighted air line, our PS-60 compressor, and in here we got our 5 horsepower fountain that we'll be installing at a later date. So guys, there's also 4 water features at this home, and we're just gonna go through and give you a little tour of them, check them out and see what they look like. Loaded up. We taking it over to where the compressor is going with the boat. Got our PS-60 right there. Let's get it. Right now we're just making a clearing right here. Roberto's using the hedge trimmer to clear up a bunch of grass. I'm going to remove some of these cattails so we could have an easier way of running these airlines out into the pond. Trip number 2, we got our cattails removed. I'm gonna take the boat over, bring the rest of this airline over. Alrighty, we got our last boat going over to the compressor. Alrighty, so we got all our stuff over here. We got all our weighted tubing boated over. Now we got our 6 air sleds that we're gonna assemble. Here's the PS-60 compressor. This is the intake fan to cool it down. Each of these knobs control the amount of air going to each of the sleds. So we got just about all our sleds built. Roberto's working on the last one. Now it's time to get out in the boat and have some fun. So we got our first connection here. We got our second line up here. Roberto right now is attaching the connector piece, the 5/8 to 5/8. We clamp down on the hose so it's nice and secure and not going to come off at any point. Now that we got our connection set, then Roberto's going to be throwing out the line as I paddle like so. So now we're at the end of our 300-foot run. Roberto's putting on the last clamp and we're going to connect it to the sled right here. And then we are going to drop her in. First one going in. Right next to the island. Now you're going to drop it in and you're going to make sure it's sled side up, just like so, and into the water it goes. Number 2 going on, number 3 going in, number 4 going in. Turtles. Tortugas. Speed. Snap.
Just like the Titanic. All the way to the bottom.
Last one going in. Getting this last run in. 6 sled, 400 feet of airline. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggly, wiggly. Like Aaron would say. Wiggly, wiggly.
Last one going in. keep them waiting. Into the abyss. Alrighty, just wrapping up here, guys. We got all our boxes. We put in over 1,600 feet of weighted airline into this giant natural pond. We got the boat. We got a little bit of water in there that we're gonna have to drain out. Roberto's over there starting the trench. We'll go check out what he's doing. So now that we got all our sleds on and all our runs out, we're gonna be checking each plate on how much air is coming out of it to make sure they're all equal for the customer. Our number 1 run and our 6th run are the longest. The one was 300, the one was 400 feet. So we're gonna keep those a little more open all the way, adjusted by these valves, and then we have these 4 in the middle turned down. We're gonna dig this trench right here, get all these air lines in there, hidden away for the customer, so it's like magic's happening. Here it is, all trenched. Alrighty guys, here they are. It's kind of hard to see because of the glare, but there is one right there, number 2 right there, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 is all the way on the other side of the island over there. Customer already had 4 air sleds in there, so we'll take a look at those over there when I show you the farthest one. Walk out here, they're private docks, nice truss decking. Don't trip on the steps. This is their private dock right here with their boat for their own personal lake. There's the one aerator that was already installed here. We have a second one over there. Number 3 right there. And number 4 back there. The one that we installed is the one right in the middle there, and that spans across the lake. Thank you guys for watching another Garden State vlog. I hope you guys like what you see. Comment down below what you think of my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. It's free to subscribe, so click that bell down below and get notified every time we post. Peace.